I will now show you how we can create conditional formatting for textual column. I will first select this textual column. I will go here to conditional styles property. I will click on three dots and I will click on plus to add a new conditional style. I will select this option, new conditional style. Our conditional style will be based on month column, which is of text type. And when I click on OK, here is our main dialog. I will name our style as text style. And here we have one predefined group. Now this group will be valid for all other values. So all the values that don't belong to other groups that we are now going to create. So all other values will have their font bold, for example. Okay. And then we will create a new groups. For that, we use this menu here. We have three ways to how to define a new group. First is select multiple values. Here we can hold Control button and we can select some of the months, and then we click on arrow to add those values to selected values. We can use also search. For example, if you type like this, we will find all the months that start with JU. We also have all of these options here that we already saw in the videos about filtering. Then we can click on OK. And this is our new group. And for this group, we will apply this formatting. Then we will use this other option, enter values. Here we have to type values. For example, we will type August and September. So when we click on OK, we have a new group and we will choose here for formatting. And then we will use this last option, enter string criteria. Now here we have different operators and we can use any of them. I will, for example, start with this begins with. And I can type, for example, for October, I can type OC. But instead of that, I will type underscore and then C. This is wildcard. This underscore is replacing any letter. So we can type like this. So this will find any word that has one letter and then the letter C. So I will click on OK. And I will change this formatting to, for example, average. And then again, I will use once more this option, but this time I will change this operator to ends with. And here I will type %, and then Y. This is how we look for the month May, because that is the only month that ends with Y. And we have this %. % will be used to replace several characters. So this month has several letters and then the letter Y. So when you click on OK, we would get something like this. We can define, for example, that font should be red in this case as formatting. OK. And when we click on OK and then OK again, we would see how our conditional formatting looks like. The last type of conditional formatting that I will show you is advanced conditional formatting. For that, again, I will use the same column. I will double click here and we will add one more conditional style. I will click on plus. I will this time choose advanced conditional style and I will call it advanced style. I will click on plus to create a new group, but this time we would get our dialog for formula creation. I will add this column month and I will say that month should be equal to, for example, June. And this is my condition. Just month has to be June. I will click on OK and I will change formatting. I will click here on this pencil and I will change background color to this light blue. So when I click on OK and then on OK again, once more again, OK, and we will see how our second conditional style works on the same column. We can see that June is light blue, and this is how we use advanced conditional formatting with formulas.